Hello everyone! In this lesson, let's learn about Plough layer mixed soil sample collection. The biggest requirement of soil sample collection is to be representative. Step 1. Distribute reasonable sampling points. First, we should distribute the sampling points reasonably. How should we distribute them reasonably? Sampling must be carried out in accordance with a certain sampling route. The distribution of sampling points should be random and uniform. The commonly used point method is diagonal method, checkerboard method, snake shape method. The distribution of the points is better with the snake shape. Only when the plot area is small, the terrain is flat, and the fertility is even, can diagonal or checkerboard sampling routes be used. The soil collection point should avoid the edge of fields, roadsides, and ditches. The number of sampling points in special places, such as excavation, filling, and composting, should be collected based on the sampling area size and soil fertility differences, as appropriate to collect 5 to 20 points. Step 2. Take sample of the soil correctly. Scrape off 2 to 3 millimeters of topsoil at the selected sampling point. Use a small shovel to go into the soil about 15 to 20 centimeters vertically, to make a small hole, 1 shovel wide and 20 centimeters deep. Polish one side of pit wall. Then use a small shovel to cut a 1 to 2 centimeter thick piece of soil from the smooth surface. Use a soil knife to cut off the parts that are not the same depth on both sides of the soil sheet, and the remaining soil sheet is the sample we collected. Place the soil sample on a plastic sheet or soil tray. Pay attention to that the depth and quality of each point should be consistent as far as possible. Step 3. Mixing of samples. Place the soil collected from each point on the film and concentrate it. Remove gravel, insect shell, root, and other substances. Mix them well. Use quartile method for large quantities. Discard the excess soil, that is, spread out mixed soil sample. Align and cross them into quarters. Discard the 2 diagonals. If there is more left, divide again in half by 4 until the required amount. Generally, the weight of each mixed soil sample is about 1 kilogram. Step 4. Fill in the label. Wrap the mixed soil sample in a film and place it in a small bucket. Write the labels with pencils. Write duplicate label, which indicates the sampling location, the name of the soil, sampling date, sampling depth, sampling people, etc. At the same time, do a good sampling record. Okay, now we have finished Plough layer mixed soil sample collection in field. Then we will take the samples back to the laboratory for further processing.